Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an organizational chart in Lucidchart. Organizational charts help visualize the structure of your team or company, making it easier to understand roles and reporting lines. First, log into your Lucidchart account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free and start a new document. Once inside, click on New Document and choose a blank canvas or one of the organizational chart templates. Templates are a great way to get started quickly. Next, use the Shapes library on the left-hand side to add positions. Drag rectangles or other shapes onto the canvas to represent each team member or role. To connect roles, use the connector lines to show reporting relationships. Click on a shape, then drag a line to the next shape to create clear links between positions. You can customize each shape by adding names, titles, and even photos. Adjust colors, fonts, and sizes to make the chart easy to read and visually appealing. To add more levels, simply copy shapes and connect them accordingly. Lucidchart makes it easy to reorganize and move shapes around as your team grows or changes. Finally, when your chart is complete, save your document and export it in your preferred format, like PDF or PNG, so you can share it with your team or include it in presentations. And that's it! Now you know how to make a clear, professional organizational chart in Lucidchart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.